Hi fams, this is Chibli Skin and Body Secret. If today is your first time seeing this channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And if you're my returning subscriber, you are welcome. So today I'll be teaching us how to make skin toning black soap. You can also call this soap a body maintenance soap. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. And guys, if you want to buy this soap, I have, okay, DM me with the number on the screen and purchase your own. Please guys, do not mind the noise. That is people in the mosque praying. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. The first ingredient is our black soap. This is our Ghana black soap, so we're needing 2 wraps of our Ghana black soap. This Ghana black soap helps in soothing irritated skin. It has antibacterial properties, safe to use for all skin type, great natural moisturizer for the skin. It cleanses and exfoliates the skin. It fights acne, prevents razor bumps, prevents hyperpigmentation. It has antifungal properties, reduce fine lines, and it is good for overall skincare. So we'll be needing just 2 wraps of this black soap. The next on my list is our lemon juice. Yes, you need 60 ml of our lemon juice. So the next ingredient on my list is our turmeric powder. We need 4 tablespoons of our turmeric powder. Turmeric powder helps to brighten up the skin, reduce dark spots, treat acne, also brightens the skin tone, calm redness, irritation, and eczema. It reduces breakout, help fade acne scars, and also treats the skin. So we'll be needing 4 tablespoons of this turmeric powder. So the next ingredient is our coconut oil. We need 2 tablespoons of our coconut oil. The next ingredient is our oat powder. We also need 2 tablespoons of our oat powder. The next is our rice powder. We need 2 tablespoons of our rice powder. We also need sandalwood powder in this production. So we need 4 tablespoons of our sandalwood powder. The next is our powdered milk. We need 4 tablespoons of our powdered milk. The next one is our orange peel powder. We need 2 tablespoons of our orange peel powder. The next one is our shea butter. We need 2 tablespoons of our shea butter. Then kojic deep powder. We need 4 tablespoons of it in this soap. The next is our ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is also vitamin C, okay? Yes, we need 2 tablespoons of this powder. We need our carrot oil, which is 3 tablespoons of our carrot oil. And our lemon oil, we need 3 tablespoons of our lemon oil. This is our nutmeg. We need half grated of our nutmeg in this soap. The next one is our rose water, and we need rose water. You add to your satisfaction. You add to your satisfaction. Yes. Then the next one is our camwood powder. You need 2 tablespoons of our camwood powder. The next on my list is our cinnamon powder. Yes, you need 2 tablespoons of our cinnamon powder. The next one on my list is our tamarind or tamarind powder. I don't know if I get that correctly. You need 3 tablespoons of it. And our brown licorice, you need 2 tablespoons of our brown licorice. Yes, our brown licorice powder, you need 2 tablespoons of it. Then we need honey. We need half cup of our honey. Get original honey. And our preservative. Because of the rose water, we need preservative. So we need 5 ml of our preservative. Direction on how to make this soap. Break soap into chunks in smaller size. Add your oil ingredients, add your powdered ingredients. Mix all together in a mortar and pound with a pestle. Make sure it's very smooth, then pour into your desired container for use or for sell. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.